Why am I sharing this story? Actually, meron akong post sa TikTok, like, I think that's already a month na. And the subject of the TikTok talks about regret. Hindi siya video. Picture lang siya na parang carousel. And it talks about regret. And until today, may mga nagla-like and nag-share pa rin ng post na yon. And doon ko na-realize na maraming gusto mag-transition to business. Especially long-time employees na gusto talaga magnegosyo. Again, disclaimer lang, no? Not everyone is for business. Pero doon sa mga gustong mag-business pero hindi pa mapag-start ng business, don't let regret hit you hard. Kasi dito sa post ko sa TikTok about regret, ang daming nakarelate. So it only means, kaya sila may regret, they have something in mind, but they did not act on it. They have a business, they have probably a dream, pero because of fear, because of yun, walang clarity, walang structure, walang courage, walang tweak na ginawa sa everyday routine, ang nangyari is nag-end up as regret.